እኔ ጠንካራ ሴት ነኝ ሰርቼ ማደግ እንደምችል በራሴ በጣም እተማመናለሁ
She lives in Wellington Sodo and she has 5 children. She used to work like most of the time as a daily laborer. That's the way kind of survival strategy for her and for her family. But after she joined our family empowerment program, after she took the training, she started a mini shop.
ያው ከመምጣቴ በፊት ያው ምንም እንዳልነበረኝ ነው ቀድመም ነግሬያችኋለሁ
Her husband, he was used to involve in weaving business, and that was like labor intensive. He has to sit the whole day, and then he gradually developed a kidney problem, and he was sick for a long time, bedridden. He could not even work. Then gradually what Mebe did, because she got money, and then get like medication, all kind of treatment that he wants. He went to the local hospital. Then he became well. Then she hired her husband to work for her at the mini shop.
ያ ባይኖራን እርግጠኛ ነኝ ይሞት ነበር ስለዚህ ስላለን ግን ያው ተሯሩጠን የሶስነ ነገር ላይ ስራ እየሰራው ቢሆን ኖሮ የሱን ነፍስ ማትረፍ አንችልም ነበር እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ይሄ ለኛ ከትልቅ ገንዘብ በላይ ትልቅ ነገር ነው ደስተኛ ነኝ በዚህ ማለት ነው
The business was really good and very successful. Then after a few months she started another business which is called a mini restaurant. She hired 3 people to work for her at the mini restaurant, creating job opportunity for others. Then amazingly, she started to support 5 orphans. They used to live on the street, and then she rented a house for them, pay for the house rent, and pay school fee, and they started to go to school. She's the one feeding them, taking care of them, buying clothes for them.
እጄ ላይ ያለውን ነገር አባዝቼ መስራት እችላለሁ ካለኝ ነገር ላይ ለሰው ማካፈል እችላለሁ ያለውን በጥቂት ያካፈለ ትልቅ ነገር ማግኘት ስለሚችል አባዝቼ ነው ማካፈል የጀመርኩት አብራን መካፈሉን ያው በአላችን ነው ኢትዮጵያ ባህልም ስለሆነ ማካፈል እንጀምር
She's taking care of her families by herself and even supporting orphans. This is what we expect to see in the family farm program.
She's an amazing woman.
Woman, yeah.